Starting around 30 September 2023, Bitcoin Money is exchanging at $234.98 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.38% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. BCH truly has a kind of all-out market cap of $4,586,547,996, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $177,951,681, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes Bitcoin Money, BCH, most certainly positioning at 16 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Bitcoin Money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin Money really be in every way that really matters, worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? Is Bitcoin Money a for the most part wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in every way that really matters, thought? Will BCH cost essentially outperform its unequaled high, or so they certainly thought? These in every practical sense are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, or so they all things considered, thought. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin Money conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost certainly is supposed to sort of cross in every practical sense, normal value level of $259.46, the normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin Money, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to truly be $248.26, which generally is genuinely huge. In addition, BCH can generally arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $285.43, so on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin Money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin Money essentially be worth in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin Money cost in a real sense is estimate to generally arrive at a very the least cost of $214.92, amazingly. The BCH cost could basically arrive at a really greatest cost of $241.78, with the very normal expected cost around $235.06, showing the way that the BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $241.78, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $235.06, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin Money cost explicitly is estimate to truly arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $228.57 in a huge manner. The BCH cost could arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $253.53, with the in every practical sense, normal expected cost around $239.77, amazingly. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value conjecture October 2023. The Bitcoin Money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may generally arrive at an essentially least worth of $235.61, while the very most extreme determined cost fundamentally is around $263.12, or so they certainly thought. The truly normal cost for BCH especially is basically anticipated to in a real sense reach $244.56 in October 2023 in an especially huge way. Bitcoin Money value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the essentially greatest cost for Bitcoin Money could stretch around $275.35, or so they most certainly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 generally is $242.94, with an essentially normal cost of $251.90, especially further appearance how Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin Money cost explicitly is gauged to in every way that really matters, arrive at a very the most minimal cost of $228.57 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Money value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Bitcoin Money could essentially stretch around $285.43, which generally demonstrates the way that the BCH cost could fundamentally arrive at in every practical sense, greatest cost of $241.78, with the especially normal expected cost around $235.06. Showing the way that the BCH cost could generally arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $241.78, with the typical expected cost around $235.06, which sort of is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 generally is $248.26, with an extremely normal cost of $259.46. So besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 explicitly is $248.26, with a very normal cost of $259.46 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin money in every practical sense, past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Bitcoin Cash's cost basically has shown in every way that really matters, great increment of 1.05% in the truly most recent 24 hours. From sort of most recent 7 days, the BCH generally was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 12.45%, exhibiting how Bitcoin money value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could really stretch around $275.35 in a very enormous manner. Bitcoin money fundamentally has shown extremely kind of solid genuinely potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the genuinely current cost and by and large beyond 30 days cost history, it generally is seen that Bitcoin money generally has expanded 42.705% in its worth, which generally is very critical. The sort of typical certainly least cost for the month really is $130.31, while sort of greatest essentially normal cost generally was $134.63, which truly is very huge. This infers that this coin fundamentally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to exceptionally arrangement of coins for long haul, especially further appearance how the BCH cost could really arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $241.78, with the truly normal expected cost around $235.06. Showing the way that the BCH cost could sort of arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $241.78, with the truly normal expected cost around $235.06. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 43.91%, and the value sort of flowed from a truly least genuinely normal cost of $125.38 to sort of most extreme sort of normal cost of $134.83 in the beyond 90 days. Exhibiting that Bitcoin money in a real sense has shown exceptionally kind of solid truly potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and in every way that really matters, put resources into a truly significant way especially. In very most recent form.